Most people think making money outside a job is luck. They think successful entrepreneurs found some secret opportunity, some magical shortcut, something they don't have access to. But what if I told you that replacing a full day's salary has less to do with luck and more to do with solving a simple problem? Let's do the math. If you earn $100,000 a year, that's about $384 per workday, not per month, per day. The challenge was simple. Could someone create that much value in a single weekend without a special degree, without investors, without years of preparation? The first step wasn't buying equipment. It wasn't building a website. It wasn't creating a logo. It was research. Successful people don't guess. They investigate. They find out what customers already pay for and where demand already exists. Every business starts with the same question. What problem bothers people enough that they'll pay to make it disappear? A dirty driveway, a messy property, a homeowner who wants things cleaned. That's not luck. That's demand. And most people spend years looking for the perfect idea. Entrepreneurs look for existing problems. There's a difference. Then comes the part most people avoid: action. Phone calls, conversations, rejection, awkward moments. The work nobody posts on social media. Because opportunities don't usually arrive with confidence. They arrive disguised as discomfort. And eventually, someone says yes, then another, then another. Within days, the numbers start moving, not because of luck, because value was created. The truth is, most people overestimate how difficult it is to start and underestimate how powerful consistent action can be. The lesson isn't about pressure washing or websites or sales. The lesson is this: money follows value, opportunity follows action. The people who seem lucky are usually the people willing to start before they feel ready. So, the next time you catch yourself saying, "They got lucky," ask yourself a better question. What problem could I solve this weekend? Because your future may not be waiting for luck. It may be waiting for action. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today, freedom tomorrow.